Hello, good evening, guys. Thank you so much. I'm going to be giving you a driving tour here from Trentyville, going straight into Moran Bay, guys. And please relax back and enjoy the video. Don't forget to always subscribe and share this video. Tell another friend to tell another friend. And also go and check out DMAC 4K World Tour. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to put all the links down in the description. So thank you so much, and let us get into this video.
Again, alisin mo pa ka lang, itinti or teach mo na. Seaport, this is Seaport, guys. There's a policeman here, guys.
Well,
Why you guys not?
well, yes, the police just stopped. It's not stop us for anything, guys. It's just that someone is coming out. But I'm not stop record. Good evening, officer.
You can't wait this country. Yeah, it's one thing.
Don't care. Hey, we can't take that plan there.
I'm just gonna stop off. Yes, on this driving tour, guys. So remember, it's the driving tour from Trentiville going into Morant Bay, guys. So right now, I'm just at the bottom of Seafort, and I'm going to see a Jellyman. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm allowed to record, you know. So let's see anyway. I'm over here, so beautiful, guys, you know. So anyway, we'll continue with the driving tour, guys. I hope you guys are still enjoying the driving tour. Anyway, if you see the camera come on again, guys, is either I'll be driving again or try and get a jelly of the Jellyman if I'm allowed to record. Okay, guys, see you in a bit. Right, this lady is gonna chop the coconut, guys. Her face will not be in it, but you can see she's there chopping the coconut.
Good evening, sir. Sit here, darling. You're not feeling the mind.
Yes, guys, and this side of the road goes to Spring Garden. Yes, Spring Garden, guys. Still on our journey to Morant Bay. Enjoy the video, man. driving tour. Yep, we finally we arrive in Morant Bay. So thank you so much for watching this channel. Don't forget to check out DMOC 4K World Tour as his name appeared on the screen. I'm going to put his link down in the description. And also, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Signing out from Morant Bay here in Jamaica in St. Thomas. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy, right, guys, you know, it's really, really good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, Ate Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, it's very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.